Hi, in this video I will show how to change your YouTube profile picture. So for that, firstly open the YouTube. After that you have to click here, then your channel, click on your channel. After that click on this icon, then here you will find help and feedback. Now here you have to type manage your channel icon, your channel icon. After that click here Google account setting and open browser. Select in browser. After that you can click here and upload new picture. If you can upload from here. Select photo, select your logo. After that it will be uploaded. Wait for some time. Here you can see, click on done. Yes. After that, after some time your profile will be updated from YouTube channel. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.